There's my buddy, Hybrid Harry. Hybrid Harry 1. Check him out. There's Miss Joker. Be Rojo.
I'm gonna be on the video? Nice.
Yeah, you're on the video already.
Appreciate that.
Got no problem, Harry. Wait. I gotta do this first. Let's see.
I wanna go to the homie and shit out there, but
Quit that. Go to messages. Bam. Quit it. Alright. Hello, Dill. Open enrollment. This is Kelly, by the way. What is that? December the 5th? December the 7th? Wow, they're really pelting me. Her name's Kelly, I think. It's Kelly again. If you missed my previous message, you know what? Let's see what happens if I do this. Let's do a little exploration. Let's call this bitch. That's my ex-wife's name, Kelly. I tell you what, you don't want to tangle with her. If she gets a new boyfriend, I'll pity the fool. Right, call. Speaker time.
Your call cannot be completed as dialed.
I knew it!
Please check the number
I
and dial
fucking
again.
knew it!
Announcement for
You fucking
your call
asshole!
cannot be completed as dialed. Please check the number and dial again. Announcement for
So, why are they doing this to me? Why do they send these fucking texts? Kelly and Dillhall. Wow. Good grief. I knew who spoofed that number. Thanks a lot, Dave.
Can you please just to confirm, do you have Medicaid?
Yeah.
Hello?
Hi.
You got Medicaid?
Yeah.
Okay,
You
so
are
you
wrong,
are
sir.
perfectly eligible to receive these free stuffs at your doorstep without any cost, and you don't have to pay any single penny out of your pocket for that. So how you pronounce your first and last name?
Huh? How do you pronounce your first and last name?
My name is Alexander the Great.
Your name is Alex? And that'd be great.
Alexander.
Oh, yeah, I'm sure there's a lot of Alex vendors running amok around India right there scamming.
Amok.
Hey, Alex Vendor, you eat a dick, you bitch. Man, shut the fuck up. Yeah, let's go for broke. Hello? Hey, hello?
Hello?
Hi.
Hi, my name is Adam from Get Solar. How are you?
I'm okay. How are you doing, Adam? I'm okay.
I'm fine. Thanks so much for asking. Sir, we are providing free information about solar. You are the homeowner?
Yeah. Listen.
Obviously,
Let
you
me
want
transfer the
solar
call to my
power.
senior supervisor. He will guide you further reaching line. Okay?
You are
I'm sorry,
the
what?
best solar power.
I'm sorry, my
Let
grandson's.
me transfer this call to my senior supervisor. He will guide you further
Yeah.
line.
That'd be great. Yeah.
Yeah. That is a
Hi, my name is Sean from Get
power.
Solar on a recorded line. How are you?
I'm okay, but we're going to some.
We are providing you free information regarding solar. You are the homeowner, right?
Yeah.
Your electric bill is around $100 or maybe more than that, right?
What?
I say your electricity bill is around $100 or maybe more than that, right?
Are you talking about with the dogs or without the dogs?
Shut up. No, it's about $100. Yeah, you're right. Yeah. Why would you do that?
I was trying to be honest.
Fuck you, man. Christ, we're fucking shit-hammered drunk. What's going on? Hello? Hello? Hello?
Hi, sir. This is Michael
Oh,
from
wait.
the program. How are you?
I'm okay, Michael. Hold on. Here we go. Hey, man. How was Hey.
Okay. Yeah. Yes.
Yeah.
hi. This is Michael from NCB
Yeah,
program.
you
How
made
are you
it
doing?
painfully clear that you're Michael. What do you got for me, Michael?
Oh, Michael.
This call is about this call is about affordable connectivity program. And the reason of my call, you will be receiving free smart tablet and free internet services through
Oh,
US
Michael, I feel like our
So, may I know,
connectivity is
Michael.
through the
so may I know
roof,
which government
baby.
assistance you have?
It's
Like, do
through
you
the
have Medicaid or
roof.
government?
Ignore my friend. He just ate some hot peppers. He's really feeling the pain right now. Fuck! God damn it! You did it again! Shut
trying
the
to help
fuck
you.
up!
And it is fully funded by federal government. So, sir, can you please confirm me if you are on any government assistance program like food stamp, Medicaid, medical, low income home?
So, yeah. Yeah.
Which one do you have?
All that.
Okay. Okay, sir, if your monthly income is less than $1,600,
1,600. I wish it was $1,600. I get about $1,200.
okay. Okay, sir, what is your name? Your first and last name?
Well, you called me, Anna.
Sir, your last name is Sander? Sander?
Yeah? How did you know that? All right.
Okay, sir. I have to verify it. So how would I know if I'm talking to the right person or not? So can you please tell me your first name?
You already know that. You called me, so
Sir,
you already know
can
my.
you,
Is your real?
okay, can you please tell me your date of birth?
Spill the date of birth.
Yeah, your date of birth.
Oh,
What is your date of birth?
I'm old, Anna.
Sir, I know you are old, but can you please tell me your date of birth?
You don't know if I'm old. Just called a random number. Might be young. I'm not young. I'm old. Anna, are you trying to rip off old people? Are you a scamming?
No, sir.
Are you a
Sir,
scamming?
it's not a scam. It's not a scam, okay?
Okay.
So can
Okay.
you please tell me what is your date of birth?
1952, August the
It's
3rd.
1950. Okay. 0803 1952.
Write it
Okay, sir.
down.
Just to deliver free food to your address, can you please confirm me your physical address?
Anna, I don't even think your real name's Anna. There's not many Annas running
Sir,
around.
I am asking your physical address.
I'm
What is
asking
your physical address?
What's your fucking name, Anna? You're not Anna. You're some kind of Rundy, you dumb bitch. I ain't falling for your shit. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
Yeah, hi, this is David from American Claim Advisor. How are you doing today?
Okay, Jamie. How are you?
I'm doing. Thank you for asking.
You're doing?
Actually, sir, this call is about the compensation for the toxic chemicals that goes up to $200,000.
What?
Could you please tell me, sir, were you? I said this call is about the compensation, sir, for the toxic chemicals that goes up to $200,000. Could you please tell me, were you a firefighter or anybody in your family?
Yeah.
Yep. Okay. Who was the firefighter? Sir, you, like your son, your daughter, your brother, who was the firefighter?
Best friend, Cuz. His real name's Jason, but his nickname is Cuz. Yeah, he fights the fires. I don't. Yeah. What's this about?
Okay. And had he diagnosed with any type of cancer?
To be honest,
Yeah.
he had a little bit of cancer, but they treated it with chemotherapy. I think he's okay. What's this got to do with me?
Sir, can I talk? Sir, Can I talk to him? Because at this time, he was perfectly eligible. He is perfectly eligible for the compensation.
Then why did you
Can I
call
talk
me?
to him? Can you give me?
You can call him instead. Yeah.
Can you give me the number?
Yeah. It's
Give me.
1-800 eat shit.
Hello. What is it?
You heard me, Gondu.
Hello. Give me the number.
Yeah, 1-800 eat shit. Gondu, piece of shit. You scamming bastard. Quit it.
So you have no manner to speak, someone?
Rethink your life, man.
Yeah.
Rethink your life. Hey, I got cancer.
Yeah.
Can you help me?
No manners.
I didn't fight fires, but I got...
Sir.
What? Say it.
But you should have learned to.
Learned of what? Fuck you, man.
So just for qualifying purpose, may I know how old are you?
I'm 63. Wait. Hold on.
63?
No. Hold on. Thinking.
God bless you. Can you please verify me your zip code?
I'm 6. I think I just turned... Am I 60?
What?
Hold on. I'm 65. I just turned 65.
Okay. Can you please verify me your zip code?
39208. What's going on?
39328, right?
392. Yeah.
Okay. And I do believe you make your own financial decisions, right?
Yeah.
That's good. And do you have an active checking or a savings account?
Yeah. Hold on.
And you are still residing in Mississippi. What?
Somebody's calling me. Hold on just a second. Hello? Holy shit. Oh, man.
Hello.
Hey.
Good morning.
Is it morning? Why is somebody still calling me? Oh, God. I don't want to end. Hey. Who's here? That was fucked up. Hey. Hey. Hello? Sorry about that.
Hi, Johnny Sanders.
Yeah, that's me.
Thank you. How are you doing today?
I'm okay. I was supposed to go to work.
My name is Robin.
I'm sure it is. Yeah.
Sorry?
I was supposed to go to work, but I'm slacking.
Okay. So my name is Robin Anthony. This
Yeah,
call may
Robin
be recorded
Anthony,
and
yeah.
monitored for.
Is Robin Anthony a common name in India or what? You know, Robin Anthony's a
So
dumb.
this call is,
What you got, Robin Anthony?
So my name is Robin Anthony.
I'm
this
sure
call
it
may
is.
be recorded and monitored for quality assurance.
Yes.
Hello.
Hello. I'm sorry, my cat's. Oh, my cat's beautiful. Yeah.
Hello. Can you hear me?
I can hear you. I can hear you. Yeah.
Yeah. So I'm calling from Credence Resource Management. I'm a debt collector. This is an attempt to collect debt.
You're
Any
collecting
information
debts?
obtained will be used for that. So can you please allow me to speak?
Yeah, I guess I can, Robin Anderson. What the fuck was your name? You got a debt to collect? What? Do I owe somebody? Do I?
Hello?
Hi. I don't want to owe
As
money.
this conversation is going nowhere, I have to disconnect the call.
No, collect my debt.
As this conversation is going nowhere,
No,
I have to
I
disconnect
want
the
to
call.
pay you the money I owe you. What do I owe you?
Thank you so much. Have a nice day.
What do I owe you, douchebag? Fuck off. Hello? 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 Hello?
Hello.
What? Hello?
Hi, this is Jenny. How are you doing today?
Okay. I got a cat right
Very
here.
good, sir. May God bless you more. So basically, this call is about low-cost final expense insurance plan. So can you tell me how are you doing?
Wait,
What's your age?
I'm old. What are you, religious? What's God got to do with this?
Sorry, what you said? What you asking?
I don't know. He said, "May God bless me more." I'm not sure if God blesses. He actually made a flood to kill everybody. How much does God love everybody? I'm not sure. But anyway, what do you want? Look at that! Ah, yeah.
Hello.
What? Who is
Yeah,
this?
hi. My name is Brad, and I'm calling you on behalf of Financial Help for Seniors. How are you doing today?
Health for seniors? Okay, yeah. Okay, yeah.
Okay. Well,
Yeah.
I'm calling to let you
Okay.
know about this new whole life insurance plan, which is designed to cover the cost of your funeral and burial expenses.
The what?
And this is specially designed for people on fixed income and Social Security.
Yeah,
So,
that's
would you
me.
like to learn more about it?
Yeah, sure.
Well, to get you qualified for the plan, are you between the age of 40 and 80?
Yeah, I'm totally that, yeah. Huh?
Great. Let me connect you with a product specialist. Give me just a second.
Hurry up. You got much time left.
Thank you very much for holding on. My name is Phil Brown. I'm a product specialist here. How you doing?
Hey, Phil Brown.
Well, just to let you know that we are an independent insurance brokerage that is appointed with 40 different top A-rated insurance companies and
Oh,
licensed in 48 states, helping about 2,000 families a year for your whole life insurance. So just for the qualifying purpose, can I ask how old are you as of today?
I'm 71, but 2,000 families a year doesn't sound like much to me.
Sorry?
You said you help 2,000 families a year?
What?
Yeah, you said that.
I'm just saying we are helping about more than 5,000 families a year for your
Oh,
whole life insurance policy.
5,000
So
families.
just for the qualifying purpose, can I ask how old are you? More than 5,000
Already?
families, not a 5,000.
Oh, you're okay. I'm 71. What's going on here?
What's your date of birth?
71.
What's your date of birth?
1952.
What was the day and month?
Good God, man. You help families?
What?
I'm sorry. I'm in a bad mood. My cat done scratched my face, and it's a new cat. Just kidding.
Email, so I actually changed my password.
Hello? Hello?
Hello? Hi, this is Hannah Walker. I'm with U.S. Funeral Expenses. How are you doing today?
I'm okay. I'm 62.
I'm sorry. What was that?
I'm 62.
Okay. Have you ever been diagnosed with any major or minor health issues like high blood pressure, diabetes, dementia, or even cancer?
No.
Okay. Do you smoke or chew tobacco?
Yeah.
Great. Hold on just a second. Let me get one of our insurance specialists on the phone, okay?
Okay.
How's the weather where you're at?
I don't know.
Now, if you choose to take coverage, who would be your beneficiary? Would it be your son, daughter, or possibly your spouse?
Betty Bam Bam. Every day, all day. In and out, left and right. North, south, east, and west. Betty Bam Bam. Come on now.
right.